If you're seeing this, go ahead and like and subscribe. You get notifications for all these. Ooh, almost fell off the edge here. Anyways, go ahead and like and subscribe. You get notifications for these videos. This is a 24-foot wellcraft. I'm replacing the wood in. I spent a few hours yesterday getting this all straightened out and buckled up and tightened with screws and clamps, so that everything fits nicely. The slight issue that I'm having is that I did not cut this open, and so I don't have the pieces that go here. When this was originally made, it was fitted to a mold on the outside, and they just laid all the layers in with the wood and all that jazz. So I don't have a level surface to lay the glass up on. So what I've got to do is basically core this out a bit. This center part is really not bad. It could use a little bit. I'm thinking about maybe sandwiching a 1/4-inch sheet in here, and that'll bring me up, because this is like a good 4 or 5 layers of fiber, so that would bring me up to level in the middle. But for the sides, I've made these stencils that I'm going to bond more plywood in. Got plenty of scrap left over, and before I lay those pieces in, I'm going to go ahead and layer this over with one sheet of matting, and then I can basically, fill in my pieces of fiber here. You can see the huge difference, but that's where that wood fits. So I don't know, go ahead, tune in for our next update on this project. Appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.